Welcome back to Colorado's channel. In today's video, we will introduce you to different types of digital printing technologies and let you clearly understand which printing process is best for you. The textile industry is in the midst of a profound transformation through digital technology. According to market research, the global digital textile printing market value is expected to reach $2.09 billion in 2023 and is expected to increase to $8 billion by 2027. Digital textile printing is a digital printing-based process that offers unparalleled flexibility and customization by printing images directly onto fabric or garments. Let's explore the different types of digital printing methods and their impact on various inks and fabrics. Let's first explore direct digital printing professional inkjet printers. These printers create colorful, intricate designs by feeding fabric into a fabric nozzle, which sprays ink directly onto the surface of the fabric. These printers have impressive production capabilities, with speeds ranging from 50 to 200 square meters, and are capable of direct printing on a variety of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, silk, and blended fabrics. Water-based reactive coating inks are typically used to ensure excellent color and color fastness. Designs are printed onto transfer film or paper using an inkjet printer, and then heat and pressure are used to transfer these designs to fabric while the ink sublimates and colors penetrate into the fabric. Direct film printing offers impressive production capabilities with production speeds from 50 to 500 square meters per hour. It is primarily used on polyester, nylon, or other materials that have been treated with polyester-coated sublimation ink. This printing method often produces vibrant and long-lasting results. Use an inkjet printer to print the design onto the socks. First, make the design in P's, put the socks on the roller, and the socks will be stretched by the roller. The ink will penetrate into the yarn, making the socks comfortable to wear on the feet. They will be exposed. The sock printer has a production speed of 50-70 pairs per hour. It can print on polyester, cotton, wool, nylon, bamboo fiber, and other materials. The sock printer can not only print socks, but also yoga clothes, eye sleeves, neck scarves, wrist guards, etc. The equipment will print the design on special transfer paper. Transfer the pattern to the fabric through pressing, and the high-temperature sublimation will allow the ink to penetrate into the fabric fibers. This process has been widely used in daily necessities, clothing, etc., and is mainly suitable for materials such as polyester. The equipment first prints the design on special transfer paper. Use a press technique to transfer the pattern from the transfer paper to the fabric. The high-temperature sublimation process causes the ink to penetrate into the fabric fibers.